Hey guys, in this video I'm continuing the series of Giraffe as a digital twin for asset allocation in real assets. So you can see here's our portfolio that I showed how I built. Here it is in the city context. But today we're talking about comps, comparable data, the keystone of feasibility. What can I actually sell, what I'm building for, or what can I rent it for, or what's on the market. Giraffe doesn't supply comp data. So this video assumes that you've acquired the comp data. Either it's internal data you already have, or you subscribe to something like CompStack. I made this data set just as an XY CSV, like a spreadsheet, which you can create from geocodes if you have areas. And then the columns are basically up to you, whether it's rent per square meter or average lease term, all of that kind of stuff. Very simple to get access to those data sets. And once you've got them and you've uploaded them to Giraffe or you've connected directly via the API, here's how we can use Lens to empower you. So let's say we've just been asked to find a small amount of commercial space. There's a small, our asset team is saying we're thinking about a small commercial tower. What are the comparables? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter by asset type, and I'm only going to show the commercials. I'm going to add another filter, which is area, net sellable area, which is one of the items in my comp database. And I'm going to say it's less than 20,000 square meters. Okay, and now I'm styling here. I'm coloring by the rent per square meter. So you can see these really cheap ones at 120, these really expensive at 392. And here's, I'm going to use my judgment a bit. So I'm going to open up the table. And I'm only going to show the selected ones. And I'm going to, our guys have said they're looking for a premium offering. So I'm just going to add this, and this, and this, and this. So the red, the more expensive comps around our site. And maybe I'll add that one further down. Okay, and so you can see there's the rent per square meter, the net sellable area, and assuming the comp database was a little more realistic and not with all these properties that I've just added, you would have address, tenant, or etc., etc. And we'd be able to export this and put it into our report. How simple is that? So hopefully you can see how powerful that comp database is. Of course, we could switch to residential and look for large areas, greater than, what's the biggest one there? Say 25,000 or 29,000. And maybe we're looking for cheap ones over here. So I could add this filter where the rent per square meter is less than 150. There's nothing there. Let's go 250. Okay, we get one. So or a couple down here in this area, end of the market. So extremely powerful tool. You can get the CSV out and then do your averages, etc. And of course you can take a screenshot and put that in your report as well.